Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries easily. First, choose firm, ripe strawberries with their green tops intact. Next, select your favorite chocolate. About 8 ounces is usually enough for a dozen strawberries. You can use milk, dark, or white chocolate. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or wax paper. This will prevent the dipped strawberries from sticking as they cool and set. Now let's melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler for gentle, even heat or a microwave for speed. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until smooth. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can cause the chocolate to seize and become clumpy. We want a silky, pourable consistency for dipping. Time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its green stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it now before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator. Let them chill for about 15 to 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely set and firm to the touch. They are best enjoyed chilled. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate-covered strawberries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.